52 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 5, 15, 3 times 6, 18. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 3, 21. 3 goes into 5 how many times? 2 times 6, which is greater, so 1 time, that gives us 3. 1 times 3, 3. Now subtract, you are getting, if you take away 3 from 5, you have to bring down the next digit. 3 goes into 22 how many times? Look, 8 times 24, which is greater, so 7 times. 7 times 3, that is 21. Subtract, you are getting 1. This is remainder and this is less than our divisor 3. So our answer is 17 remainder 1. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, what will you do? Just take here decimal and add number of zeros according to your need. Bring down the first zero. Before this zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. Now 3 goes into 10 how many times? 12, 4 times 12. Okay, 3 times actually. 12 is greater, so 3 times. Write 3. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 1. Bring down the next zero. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 1. Bring down another zero. 3 goes into 10 again 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract, you are getting 1. You can bring down more zero, but since we have gotten 3 places after decimal, so we can place here 3 dot to mean that this process is continuing. So our answer is 17.333 dot dot dot, or we can place a bar over 3. This means that this 3 is repeating. So this is our answer.